जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. Rama, in this my Acharya's puja room, look at those flowers that he used for archana. All those flowers are still in a blossom state. They never gets dried. Like this, after showing entire Acharya's Vaibhavam, Sabari is saying that, Rama, I showed you my Acharya's greatness. I helped you hear about my Acharya's Vaibhavam. Now, if you permit me, tadichhami abhyanujñata tyaktumetat kalebaram. If you permit me, I will give up my body and go to tesham ichhami aham gantum samipam bhavitatmanam. I will go to my Acharya to do Acharya Seva. Like that, Sabari said to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Now Sabari is saying to Rama, "Oh Rama, if you now permit me, I would like to leave this body and go to my Acharya Sannidhanam." When Sabari said like that, Rama Lakshmana, they are feeling so happy. They are surprised to see Sabari's devotion upon her Acharya. They are surprised to hear Acharya's Vaibhavam which is told by Sabari. They are very much surprised to see Sabari's firm belief, faith upon Acharya. And now Ramachandra Swami saying to Sabari, "Oh Sabari, architoham tvaya bhaktya." I am feeling so happy. I am very much pleased with your devotion. And now, gaccha kamam yadha sukham. Now you can go to divine abode where your acharyas are there, and you please go happily there and do serve your acharyas. When Rama said like that, Sabari, the one who has naravastras and all the matted hair, that old lady Sabari left her body and put her body in the Agni. Then with the divine body, just like as and how a glowing fire, just like that, while glittering, that body now is traveling to Swargameva Jagamasa, traveling to Swargalokam, divine abode. Sabari assumed the divine body, which is filled up with so many divya abharana sanyukta, divine ornaments. Sabari's divine body is decorated with beautiful divine flowers and all kind of perfumes. Sabari's divine body is decorated with divya ambaradhara, beautiful garments. Such divine body virajayanti tam desham vidyut saudamini tadha. Just like a lightning, this body, Sabari's divine body, traveled to Swargalokam. Because of that samadhi balam, the strength that Sabari has, she has reached Punyalokas. After that, Rama and Lakshmana, they have taken dip in the Sapta Samudra Jalam, which is there in that ashramam. They have taken their bath in that 7 ocean waters. After that, Rama Lakshmana did Pitrutarpanas also there. Then Rama is saying that to Lakshmana, "Oh Lakshmana, now I feel so happy and I feel so content because we were able to do darshanam of this Matanga Mahamuni ashramam, and we were able to hear Matanga Mahamuni Vaibhavam from Sabari. We were able to meet Sabari, and we were able to do snanam in this 7 ocean waters. With all that, all of our asubham, the bad thing is gone. Now I feel so happy, and also I have a feeling that now whatever that we are going to face is going to be happy. Everything will be fine. Like that Rama said, and also saying that Lakshmana, now let both of us travel to Pampa river. There is a mountain that is known as Rishyamukha Parvatam, on which Sugriva lives. Ho Lakshmana, abhitvarecha tam drashtum Sugrivam Vanarshabham. Lakshmana, let us not delay anymore. Let us go and meet Sugriva, because the rest of everything is depends upon Sugriva. Sugriva is only the one who has to search for Sita. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.